Hello and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. In this video I am rebuilding a fireplace in my living room. As you can see, yeah, I've gotten up to this stage. I've removed all the brickwork, all the brick that is added, and now this is the original size. So I'll stand back a bit. The original size, as you can see, is quite high up. I don't want it that high up. What I'll be doing is sort of coming down to bringing it back down to this, about up to here. But what I will do is give it an arch. Give it an arch here. And yeah, so what I'm doing at the moment, I'm making a form to support the arch brickwork. So I'm going to do it all out of brick and fill it all back in again. But I'm going to do it properly this time, not the way that it's done before. Down here on the floor, you see I've got a tape measure. I've got this piece of old, what's that called, wardrobe. I've got a couple bits of this, got another piece there. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make up a form. What I've done, I've got this piece of wood here. Now I put a screw there to take the tape measure. And then what I'm going to do is with the tape measure, I'm going to draw an arch out. Basically just bring it back as a forwards like this. What I might do actually, see if I can draw a line. I don't know if I'm better do this. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, so basically I've got an arch now. It's quite an attractive looking arch, I've decided, right now. Yeah, so I mean you could use a giant compass, basically that's what I'm doing. You could use a piece of string, you know, anything, in which way. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut this out. You know, I'll take it outside to cut it out, I'm not going to cut it in there, it'll just make too much mess. Yeah. So please keep watching if you want to see how it all turns out. Right, so, okay, so I've made up the arch, and I sort of put it in place over here. And what I'm doing now, just to notch out a little bit of the brickwork along there. You can see, and that one's ready for notching out. Yeah, I'm going to notch out the brickwork because what's going to happen is the arch is going to start from inside the brick, so it actually has, so it's a supporting arch. It's not going to be just for looks. You know what I mean? So yeah. What I'll do, I'm just going to use the power drill, what do you call it, this humongous impact drill, yeah. Right, so what's going to happen is, I still need to probably open it up a bit better. Yeah, I need to, but that's going to basically start in there and move along. But it needs to sit in the wall. I can't just cut it off, because then it won't be an arch will better just slide out. It won't be a supporting arch, it will just slide out. So yeah, I'll carry on with this, and I'll do the other side, and yeah, then I'll get the arch, the support, the arch support in position, get it all secure, and then I guess I'm going to start laying some bricks. Yeah. Right, yeah, I've got 13 bricks, and they're roughly in position. What I'm going to do now, oh yeah, I've cut them in half. They're pretty straightforward, using the alum grinder with a masonry cutting disc. Just cut a bunch of bricks in half. And so yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm going to gap them out until they're perfectly gapped, and then mark on the board, on the support arch, where the bricks are going to end up. And then once I've done that, then I can start cementing them in place, mortaring them in place, bonding them in place, I don't know what you call it. By the way, I'm not a bricklayer, and this is the first time I'm doing anything as complex as this. I wouldn't really call it complex, whatever, you know what I mean. But yeah, so yeah, it's looking alright. It's everything's even. Yeah, it's got a keystone in the middle. I just need to find the centre now of that, put the keystone in the centre, and then gap everything properly. So yeah, probably doesn't really need it, to be honest. I can just do it as is, as long as I roughly keep it that sort of gap apart. But you know, there's those surprises. What I want to do is just mark it. But yeah. Keep it out there. By the way, I'm not an expert. This is the first time I'm doing anything like this. I'm sort of learning as I go, and I'm sure there's some actual people out there, experts out there, that'll tell me I'm doing it all wrong, and how I should like go out and find an actual bricklayer and pay them like hundreds of pounds to do it for me. But as you all well know, I don't do that. Another thing I'm going to do is get some water, just so I can damp the areas down. Bear with me a moment, please. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I've got this little thing of water and a sponge. What I'm going to do is just sort of, I don't know how to do it, maybe just do that. Just, I do believe it will help with the cement stick. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, so what I'm doing, I'm just going to cut these up into 1 foot lengths. Up there somewhere. No, it doesn't have to be exact. It'd be nice if it was, but it doesn't have to be. Right. Squelch. Oh, I love this machine. Yeah, I'm going to try and do a test at some point. Will this cut through a piece of train track? I do need to. There's a bush in there, a bush end that I need to replace. What I'll do, I need to turn one up on the lathe. Yeah. Those are very nice cuts. Yeah, so there it is. The hacksaw machine. Yeah. We'll see what I'll do with these in a sec. Right. So there we have it. We have this little piece. Cut off nicely. And what I'll do, I'll then check. What the hell's happened to that other piece? But yeah, they're both the same size, roughly. This one's a tiny bit smaller, but it's negligible because I'm not worried about the size of it. I'm worried about the height. So what I'm going to drill some holes in this now, and yeah, I'll drill 3 holes in this, and then we can secure this to the back wall, to the back of the firebox. Yeah. Alright, so we've got 3 holes here, nicely synced, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I'll give it a quick clean up, and then we'll get it screwed on the wall. Yep, within tolerance. Alright. Yeah, I'll get back to you once this is secured. Then we can think about securing up the what's it called plate. I want to say data. It's not a data plate, is it? Is it indexing plate? No, I don't know, whatever. Either way, yeah, I'm gonna secure that up, and then I can finish off this brickwork and close up this gap. So what I'll do, I've got this piece of wood here, this level. So what I'll do now, I'll cut a couple of bricks that'll just fit in here. Yeah. So let's see what. I don't know how many parts I need to chop this up into. I don't want a video to go on for an hour or so. So yeah, well, I want the videos to be nice, short little bits for people just to watch, get the information they need, and then sort of move on. I don't want to subject them to like an hour-long video of me, like poking around and talking shit and just waffling along, which I'm doing now. Yeah. looking. Let's see if it even fits, to be honest. I mean, that is really tight. I'm going to have to cut off a piece of this brick. It's too tight in there. I didn't see, there's a centre line there. Should have had the gap between the bricks smaller, but live and learn, live and learn. I'll get back to you after I've cut this piece off this. This gap is quite chunky, quite thick, shall I say. What I'm going to cram a lot of sort of broken bricks in there, and then before I put the last mortar joint in. Yeah, well, we get the idea. Right, okay, this will be the end of the video. As you can see, it's all set now. It's all nice and solid. This will be the end of part 2. Part 3 will be me rendering it all up and re-plastering, whether I use plasterboard or sort of skim it over plaster by hand, the good old fashioned way. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, please thumbs up. If you don't like what you saw, don't worry about it. I'll try better next video. Thank you.